Davis GA Club, it's the parish of Kilvine. It's Irish Town and Ballantine, two villages. We're a pretty small area, very tightly knit community. The GA Club is the centre of that. I was a player, footballer for the club. Started off when I was a young lad, maybe 11, I think. And by the time we got to under 21, I won 2 county under 21 titles. We actually won 3 in a row, 84, 85 and 86. I was too old in 86. At the moment, I am the PRO. I have been the PRO for the last, I think it's 30 years now. I have small match reports on about, I think it's 380 games. And I would say I was at, I'm sure, 90% of them, at least 90%. Played in a good few of them as well. As Davids, our 50th anniversary was last year. For 2 years I had been working on a book, the history of the club. So this is the book, the masterpiece. The book is full of small little match reports, pictures. There's 28 articles written by people from within the club. My favourite part of the book is here. It's a quote from Mary McAleese. It was about Michael Davitt. It says, "May those who drink the water never forget the debt they owe to those who dug the well." My fondest memory of the club, I think it was we won the Mayo Intermediate Championship and then we won the Connacht Intermediate Championship. I think that day, the day we won the Connacht final, was probably the best day we've had. We won the All-Ireland semi-final and we qualified for the final against Milltown Castlemaine from Kerry. I don't know, it was like being in heaven, actually. With so many people from the area in Croke Park, like you never thought a small little club would make it there. It's the beauty of the GAA that it's volunteer-based. The jerseys have to be washed, the sandwiches have to be made, tea has to be made, teams have to be coached, and everyone does their bit. The best thing about the GAA is there's a place for everyone. I mean, you don't have to be a top-class coach, you don't have to be a top-class player, but you can fit in and there is a place for you.
Ó chumann na dávéidig an eiscirt bhuio Uachtaráin Connacht, Joe Reapy.